Hey y'all, the good folks over at Husk Firm sent me this double folding camping chair. I'm gonna get it opened up and we're gonna check it out. I think it's gonna be nice when it warms up a little more and I do a little camping. But it'll be good for just out here in the backyard like this. I've got a little canopy back there that when it's not storming is set up. But this will be nice to give us a place to sit out there instead of standing around. Looks like it's going to come in a nice little bag here. Let's stand up and we can take a better look. Look at that. It's nice. So far, yeah, all right. Let's get it opened up here. Take a look-see. A little knot in there. I was trying to figure out why I couldn't push the little button right here to slide that up. Like we have a little paperwork here, a double camping chair user manual. See if there is anything important. Oh, you can carry it on your back. Oh yeah, it's got a little strap. You could carry it, you know, like that, or on your back like that. It's actually not that heavy. That ain't bad at all. I've had regular single camping chairs that weighed almost as much as this. Put that in my pocket and save it, just in case. All right, turn that around the right way. Oh yeah, look at that. Nothing to it, just push it out like a regular chair. Oh, that is nice, y'all. Let's see. Not real thick, but it's a heavier pipe. So that should hold up pretty good. Of course, it's got your little feet down here, just like most all chairs, keep you from sinking. This thing's stretched out all the way. Hey, I was getting ready to put this up, and I gotta add this in here real quick. It's got little nets back here too. Have some storage area behind your seat. That's cool, on both sides. I believe that's it. Oh, it's got cup holders. Look at that. Put your phone in there. Well, let's put the real test. Sit down. I wonder what, got little hooks right here. What are those for? Oh, if you got your wine glasses, you can put a wine glass in there. If you're out camping and you're having a glass of wine. But anyhow, well, actually, you know, if you have it in your backyard, you may have a glass of wine. Anyway, let's sit down. Make sure that's all the way. It's got a little umph right there. So, I don't know if you'd want to sit in the middle. Oh, well, it's got a post in the middle of the back, but so, you know, if you had a small child or something, it might not be so bad, but I don't think an adult wants to sit right in the middle. That little post back there and that right there is kind of awkward feeling. Hey, I was just looking, it's got a cup holder here, and then it's got a little spot right there for your phone, so you can put a cup and a phone in there. Show you the little picture of it so you can see it better. Little wine glass holders right here if you want to carry wine. While we're up, let's measure this. Roughly 40 inches. Yeah, about 40 inches in this gray part. The height just right there is about 16, about 19. See how comfortable it is. Oh wow, that's nice. It really is. And this thing has a 650-pound weight capacity too, so put quite a bit of weight on here. I don't think you're going to have a big problem with the weight on it, that's for sure. This is comfortable, y'all. Hey, and if you'd like to get your hands on one of these, I'm going to put a link down in the description where you can go order your own. I don't think you're going to be disappointed either. And by the way, if you're enjoying this video or have gotten any value at all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I'd appreciate it if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Kind of helps promote the channel and my efforts. Anyhow, this is definitely a keeper. We'll put it out here under the canopy when we get that set up, when it's not storming or cold. A little bit chilly out here now. Notice I got my jacket on. But anyway, if you're looking for a double camping chair, or backyard chair, heck, this thing's nice enough to keep out on the front porch, or even in your living room if you need some extra seats. Definitely a keeper. 2 thumbs up, 1 for each seat. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you might make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.